हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब? आज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन करने वाले हैं हम लोग। एक बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग राइडर से बात करने वाले हैं। वी बीन वेटिंग फॉर दिस सेशन सिंस सम टाइम। टुडे इट्स अ वेरी special session. We will be talking with Aishwarya, who is a very known rider, celebrated rider, Kathak dancer, and she is leading a group called Iron Horses as well. तो उनसे बात करेंगे, उनकी हिस्ट्री समझेंगे हम पूरी, व्हाट इज़ हर स्टोरी एंड ऑल दैट। तो जस्ट वेट फॉर इट, आई विल जॉइन हर इनटू द सेशन। गिव मी अ सेकंड। So I'm just waiting for Aishwarya to join, and here we go. Hi.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing awesome, Aishwarya. Nice to see you finally. My team has been talking a lot about you, and we thought that we should do a session and share your story with our audience.
Thank you so much for having me.
How have you been? How are things with you?
Uh, all of everything is fine. In fact, we had been to Kargil Divas ride yesterday, 25th Kargil
Amazing.
Divas ride.
How are things?
BJP headquarters. It was an amazing experience, though.
Nice.
Yeah.
Amazing. Cool. So why don't you tell about yourself, what your journey has been, just in like a brief couple of sentences as possible, then we'll take it forward.
Okay. I'm a Fauji's daughter. My father is a retired colonel. He's a gunner actually,
All
retired
right.
from army.
Okay.
So I think that was the phase when every Fauji had a bullet, and they had that passion and pride of riding motorcycles. So I grew up sitting on the motorcycle. So somewhere that thing was already there in me. I think it's in my DNA, I would say. But
Amazing.
I think it takes time to understand what actually you are looking at or wanting to do in life. So, same story. We got into study, then marriage, then kids, and taking care of family and all.
Got
But then
it.
I got the opportunity to get into Kathak. I was into dancing since childhood, but
Amazing.
being a Fauji's daughter, so wherever you get posted, so I used to learn Bharatnatyam from there. I used to do Kathak.
How
So,
nice.
but I got seriously into Kathak dancing for long, and I did shows for some time. And between that, I got an opportunity to do acting, so I joined theaters.
Amazing.
So, while I was doing theaters, I got an opportunity for Marathi movie. And,
Okay.
I directly at audition, and
Nice.
I was supposed to go. सब कुछ हो गया था, everything, casting, wasting, everything was locked, and I was supposed to go. It was Hathi or Ray, to Mumbai.
सही है।
So I think COVID-19 was one game changer for many of us that time. So audition and that casting, everything got cancelled. My ticket got cancelled, and I stayed back in Delhi.
Oh,
So uh, I had a bike though that time. I had Meteor 350.
all right. Awesome.
लेके रखी थी, आती थी बाइक चलाना, बिकॉज आई वाज इन एनसीसी. तो थोड़ा बहुत यूज टू टेक बाइक्स फ्रॉम दी बॉयज व्हेन यू गो फॉर दी संडे परेड एंड ऑल दी, डेली चलाती हूँ. तो
सही है।
कभी एंटाइसर होती थी, उस जमाने में एंटाइसर
Yeah.
पल्सर होती थी.
Correct.
So you
Correct.
take a round
So
of a
what
ground
year are
and
we
you think
talking
yourself, why
about?
you are a biker.
Aishwarya, what year are we talking about?
This is 2001.
One. Nice. Nice. And when did you
2001.
actively got into riding? Like when did you actively started riding long distance?
Yeah, I'm coming to that. So it was like that. So मेरा ये part cancel हो गया. Movie thing got cancelled. I had a bike there at my place. You can see in the picture Meteor 350. But I
Yeah.
was only not riding inside the cantonment and not much. But
Nice.
that time, Jesse COVID thing came to end. There was one competition some news was floating on the Instagram
Okay.
about some biking competition for only women riders.
Okay.
So
Interesting.
I thought this is high time, Rona Dona ho gaya, or end of one career. I said now let's focus on something and do something which I always wanted to do, but
Okay.
कभी किया नहीं. तो चलो चलते हैं सीख लेते हैं टाइप. So I enrolled for the competition. वहाँ पे गए. They were the best of the trainers on the ground to train you. That was the day I realized I am not a biker. I have no clue about biking at all. There are so many things involved. You have to understand the bike, the center of gravity, and balancing, and lot of things.
Correct.
I must be aware now. My riding for so long.
I
So
know.
I said, yeah, now this is something I should know.
Correct.
तो किया मेहनत किया वहाँ अपने ग्राउंड पे एंड आई सो फर्स्ट इन द इवेंट
Oh, nice.
एंड that was the turning point where I got the confidence. I
So
said
what
yes.
year was it when it was this competition
This
happened?
this happened just after the lockdown, 2022 if I'm not wrong.
Got it.
Just वो lockdown open हो गया था and we had this competition.
First wave, second
Uh,
wave, third wave.
Sorry,
After which wave? After the first
first
wave?
wave के बाद immediately after the first wave.
Got
Yes.
it. Got it. Sorry.
And immediately after the competition, I got the opportunity to go to Umlingla. And we started like 15 of us. So we were three women riders and rest were the male riders. But eventually,
Amazing.
I was the only lady with 10 male riders
Ten male
to
riders.
reach Umlingla. And the best part was I did it in the least days. 8 days में complete किया था मैंने journey started from Delhi to Umlingla.
Amazing. Amazing. That's
So
awesome.
that was an achievement, and I think more than Umlingla was when I was starting my ride from Delhi to Udhampur. That is, I think 600 k के अंदर तक है वो एक
Correct.
stretch.
Correct.
And
Correct.
people at my place, man, everybody was worried कि 600 kilometers, how can you do it? And everybody was doubting.
What bike
But the
was
day I
it?
reached Udhampur,
Thunderbird. Which bike?
I had Meteor 350 then,
Meteor
Royal
350.
Enfield Meteor 350.
Got it. Awesome.
So I did it in one stretch. We started at 12 at midnight.
Oh,
अगले दिन
nice.
पहुंच गए and that was like hooray for me.
Nice. Amazing. That's kudos. Yeah. This first long ride, I think you had what you were mentioning from your journey. That was your longest ride you did in the.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Very, very
yeah.
good. It's quite phenomenal, yeah, if you could do 600-kilometer ride one stretch, especially starting at night. Quite
Yes, 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 yes. So that was something which you keep breaking those things. People say you can't do, you can't do, you can't do, and when you start proving, I would say not to them but to yourself because आप ही कहीं ना कहीं एक mindset के साथ रहते हो कि नहीं हो सकता. But when you
correct.
start proving कि ये तो कर लिया और ये हो सकता है, तो I think वो जो नशा है ना बाइकिंग का, that is something which gets you there.
Correct.
Yeah,
ये ना वो सबके साथ ही मतलब बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. Everybody has their own personal limitations in mindset also and
exactly,
body also.
exactly,
So
exactly.
you should be aware of that, and then of course you can stretch a bit if you are really strong. And I think that's what the biking teaches us to do that.
Absolutely, absolutely,
So there's some
absolutely.
people saying hi, hello to us. I know some, but I think you also know some of them. Captain Motor Spirit is one. Hi, Captain. Tushar is here from our
Hi, hi,
community.
hello everyone.
Hi guys. So please, if you have questions, let us know. We'd love to hear from Ishwara ma'am. So करते हैं. So I'm just moving forward a bit. So I'm sure like your journey to Umlingla was amazing, and it must be one of the most memorable rides
Yeah.
I've visited so far. But you have to tell me what is that incident on this ride which you remember the most out of this ride to Umlingla? What you did? What was that memorable moment? Most memorable moment?
Okay, okay. I would definitely want to share this.
Yeah.
The toughest patch was when we were traveling from Chandratal to Batan.
Okay.
That was road to bolo hi mat aap. That was the toughest off-road, which had riverbeds, no proper roads, cutouts, and you talk all things जो होना चाहिए वीडियो गेम में ऑब्स्टिकल्स वो सारा वहाँ पे था. तो
Nice.
उमलिंगला आई थिंक वो एक माइलस्टोन हम बनाते हैं माइंडसेट में अच्छा उमलिंगला करना है सो इट बिकम्स अ वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस थिंग. बट आई
Amazing.
थिंक वो जो जर्नी थी डग 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 यूर ओनली आई थिंक 2-2.5 घंटे में यूर ओनली डूइंग 20 to 25 kilometers बड़ी
Yes.
मुश्किल से.
सही
That
है.
was one thing, and let me tell you, I don't know when you are traveling with a group, what kind of positive energy comes to you. At the end of the day, you're dead tired. Okay, you're not reached the destinations. You're opening up your tent और जहाँ रुके हो वहाँ पे लगाना है. बट वो टेंट सेटअप करना भी इतने शिद्दत से मजे लेके एंड every bit of this ride I enjoyed. Every bit, despite of all the challenges, like physically, mentally, climate, oxygen level, we gone through everything. एक
Yeah.
पॉइंट तो आया था. अच्छा, I'll share one very funny incident.
Yeah, yeah, please
So
go
when we
ahead.
started our ride from Delhi, so I had this I would say, habit of carrying sanitizer in my pocket.
Okay.
तो कहीं भी पहुंच जाना तो यार सैनिटाइज कर लो, आई टू पुट ड्रॉप्स.
Correct,
तो
correct.
एवरीबॉडी स्टार्टेड लाफिंग कि तेरे को देखेंगे बाद में. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि वाई आर दे थिंकिंग तेरे को देखेंगे बाद में. एक पॉइंट के बाद वी हैड नो वाटर टू टेक बाथ. 10 दिन तक हमने नहाया नहीं था. एंड दैट वाज द पॉइंट व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि अब मुझे पता चला कि तुम क्यों बोल रहे थे कि तेरे को देखेंगे बाद में. So I think this experience, it has changed everything.
Awesome.
Everything.
I think
वो
there's
टाइम सेट
right
कि
which
इतने बजे
changes.
उठना है, इतने बजे सोना है. I mean, you are absolutely a free bird and enjoying every moment despite of all the troubles, all the problems. That's something which
Amazing,
I,
amazing. So nice to hear
yeah,
that. Like you see, joy in the pain and the trouble and the emotions. I know, like Ladakh changes you. It brings out the
yes,
true you in you. After maybe second or third day, it's really, really gets into your head,
absolutely,
and the
absolutely,
real you comes out, especially when you're in the group. So kudos to
absolutely.
what you have done, and
You are all burned.
that's
ये
great.
जल गया, ये जल गया, ये जल गया.
सब
So
चलता
I told
है.
my father, Papa, ऐसा हो गया. Papa said, now you are a biker, you are not a model. Now this is your beauty. You enjoy this. I said, yes. Now I want to enjoy this.
There's a joy in this thing, I think, which most of us are, seeking for as a rider. Like this is what it gives us. Like for example, I always talk about this when you go to gym, you do exercise, bodybuilding. It's painful. It's not
Yes,
joy, but the end result is, that happiness after you finish your
absolutely,
workout. That's the same thing what I
absolutely,
think we get from the riding. It's painful or it's tedious. There's a lot of challenges, but at the end, when you reach your destination for the day, it's amazing feeling. Crazy.
absolutely, absolutely. I agree totally.
Yeah, absolutely. And tell us about the Iron Lady. I need to know where this name comes from.
Okay.
Very, very
So
exclusive. A lot of people are asking about this. Yeah.
yeah. So this Umdingla thing happened. I came back. And so I'll just take you a little back to where it started, where I used to go for the practice sessions for that competition where I stood first.
Okay.
So there I met one of the bestest trainer and I gave the complete credit of my trophy, gold trophy what I got home to that person. And he is my business partner today with
Nice.
Iron Horses, Uttam Basumatre. He is the one who took me to Umlingla ride.
Who is it? If you don't, or a girl who you don't mind taking the name. We would love to know such trainers exist and would like to, like, give a shout out to them.
Uh, Sorry, if you can just repeat, your voice was
Asking who,
cracking.
who was the trainer, if you don't mind taking the name. We would like to know the
He,
superstar trainers in our community. We'll give a shout out to them.
uh, the women trainer,
Yeah, whoever trained you.
Uttam Basumatre.
Uttam, Uttam. Got it, got it.
Uttam, yeah. No, he was my guru. He is my guru, he'll be my guru, and he's my business partner with Iron Horses. We run Iron Horses together.
Awesome, awesome.
So, so after this Umlingla thing, when we came back, and when it happened, Umlingla thing got everywhere. Total Energies, the engine oil brand, they invited me as a brand ambassador in one of the rides.
Awesome.
So ये सारा जब होने लगता है ना, when people start appreciating you for your hard work, then you start, getting into that mode कि ना, and now, you have to very responsibly talk about what you did. People are observing you. People are, knowingly, unknowingly, you're an inspiration for many. So
Correct.
I said, me and Uttam were just having a conversation. I said, sir, एक academy खोलते, let's add more women riders to the riding community. Why not? So he was ready for it, and we started. We have a training ground at Military Cantonment, which is
Okay.
near Shankar Vihar.
Oh,
So
nice.
we have a proper setup of whatever is required for the basic training of the initial
Awesome.
training to start out. So we
What kind of
started
training do
and
you offer there? Like what's the courses? What kind of courses do you offer?
okay, so we have basic training. Basic training is for the people who are absolutely raw, or
Okay.
maybe they have left riding long time back, and they again want to get into motorcycle and want to be part of the group.
Got
So we
it.
generally run this basic training for 4 days. So generally 4 days the person is ready to hit the tarmac.
Okay.
So then we take them for breakfast rides, then shorter trips, फिर फिर बड़ी rides पे भी आ जाते हैं.
Amazing.
Likewise, we have advanced training, which is basically Uttam's this thing. He takes care of advanced training because he is he's done quite a bit in his riding community. He was one of the finalists of GS Trophy and all.
Got
So
it.
he is more pro of taking care of advanced training, but we work together as a partner.
Awesome. How many
So this is
girls you have trained so far? What's the number?
it's been a 1.5 year. We have trained almost 200 riders.
Amazing. 200 female riders you're talking about, right?
Yes, yes,
Amazing. This is a big number, and congratulations to you.
absolutely.
You're enabling a lot of riders and a lot of girls who want to go out and ride. I think this is phenomenal.
Yes,
And
yeah,
you need good experienced riders to help them train. I think that's awesome.
yeah, yes, yes,
So kudos to you. And I always feel inspired that people who are enabling the ecosystem and the community, there are people who are training other people to get ready for the riding. It's as
absolutely,
picking up as a hobby because a lot of times what happens, we get bad experiences in rides, in trainings, or in groups. So I think this is the foundation which everybody should go through. And it's very good when you start your riding with the training. Amazing.
absolutely, absolutely. And I'm so happy that so many women riders are so enthused about that learning, and they come and they do it and they learn very passionately.
Correct.
पूरा ध्यान लगा के सीखते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से राइड करते हैं.
Right.
So recently we've been to Sikkim. अभी
Oh,
बाकी के
nice.
rides का तो I'll speak about it. So there are many new riders, who have just taken up training, फिर advanced training का capsule करके they come and they've done record-breaking rides with us.
This is
So
amazing.
that's our reward and nothing else we want.
So, do you have a community of these riders? Do you take them for rides regularly? How does it work?
Okay, again it's a story.
Please.
So again, like every turning point comes with the thing you say. So we started this Iron Horses Academy, and it started well. Babies they started coming in, and everything was happening. So I got an opportunity to meet Mrs. Dwivedi. She's the army chief's wife, the present chief, General Dwivedi. He is recently taken over as head of army. So I got an opportunity to meet her once. So we was just discussing. So I told her that this is how I run academy, and So she got very impressed by the idea. Women riders are learning motorcycle.
सही है.
So over a coffee, only just 10-15 minutes of conversation tha, and I came back to Delhi. She gave me a call and she said, "ऐश्वर्या एक rally करेंगे कारगिल दिवस पे.
Oh, nice.
Riders select करेंगे, you train them and we go." I said, हाँ करते हैं, हो जाएगा. First question was हो जाएगा. I said हाँ हो जाएगा, आप जैसा बोलो हो जाएगा. We'll train and we'll take them. So I think that was one of the biggest event we got. So we got 25 riders from all over. And the best part about ride was there were serving lady officers part of the rally. Army officers' spouses were part of the rally. The
Amazing.
medical support team were all women from Indian Army.
Oh, nice.
The Jawan women were part of the rally. So it was mix of the complete woman empowerment package altogether.
Awesome.
So
That's
we
amazing.
trained them and we did this. This is one of the biggest rally. The previous army chief, General Pandey, did the flag off from the India Gate, and we rode from Delhi to Kargil. We celebrated Kargil Divas last year.
Lay. Okay.
And I think that was add on to our profile, I would say.
Amazing. That's awesome.
this is how.
Couple of questions coming up, Aishwarya. So,
Yeah.
Bipinda is asking, like, do you take trainees for ride outside? Do you take them for rides like shorter distances?
Outside, in the sense,
Delhi,
outside the state.
overnight, yeah.
Yes, we do. We did after this Nari Shashakti rally. We recently did. I would say 3 4 months back. We did Arunachal Pradesh,
Okay, oh, nice.
and again, this ride is a record-breaking ride. We got into India Book of Records.
Which one was it?
So we were 30 riders.
Okay.
3 months back, 3 to 4 months back, in month of June, we did this. So,
Okay.
29 riders, and out of 29, 18 were women riders.
Amazing.
And we been to the places, those places are still, you can't find it on Google Map. It is Mago and Tuna, where
Amazing.
only army and few civilians, localites are employed, staying there. It's the toughest terrain, the toughest road, which I can compare with the Chindratal thing.
All right.
So because of that, an army organized this rally, partial support from and Iron Horses being the organizer for selection and training process. So उसका भी IBR का felicitation we did on 21st of this month.
Amazing.
So
How nice.
everybody got their certification medals for this. उसके बाद we did Sikkim का, we did Natula Pass, and
Okay.
now we are waiting for next.
Did you do this Sela Pass and all Arunachal? No, only Sikkim.
Yes,
did.
yes, yes. We were the largest group to pass the Sela Tunnel.
Oh,
We
nice.
entered through Sela Tunnel, and while coming back, we came back from Sela Pass.
Oh, pass.
So tough.
Amazing.
Yes, yes, yes. But amazing experience.
So nice. I think
Amazing.
this is something which I think like everybody should explore now. It's
Absolutely.
I think everybody should try to go. Amazing, amazing. So what is
Yeah.
the future plan, Shweta? What any new rides, any upcoming rides you plan to do? Any anything which is coming up which you have not shared? I think our listeners would love to hear from you.
If you can just repeat the question once
I'm
again.
saying,
Sorry.
any upcoming rides, any upcoming events, rides you are planning, which you would like to share with our audience?
Yes, most likely in month of December. Again, we are just in talking terms, but I think something again we would take the riders to some of the border areas like Arunachal Pradesh. Also, we take all the riders to the China border, nearest to the China border. So, see, our aim of our rally is not only to go ride and come back. What we try to impose is women empowerment. The first thing what we do. Second is when we started Arunachal Ride, we met Nitin Gadkari sir. So he told us that you must spread the message of road safety. So we do that, and we keep taking workshops during the rally wherever we stop.
Okay.
So we, educate people to, why it is important to have a proper helmet or proper boots. If you can't afford buying riding boots, but at least some good grip या कुछ अच्छा सोल का जूता होना चाहिए या helmet अच्छा होना चाहिए.
Correct.
We have been taking such kind of workshops in route. And best part is we are interacting with NCC cadets. So that is the age, when they realize अच्छा ये बहुत जरूरी है अच्छा ये करना चाहिए अच्छा ये नहीं करना चाहिए so this is the age where you start getting those things like
Correct.
I still look back and see कि पापा ने ऐसे किया था so I will do this so
Yeah,
that is
that early is very important as you can inculcate the
exactly
skills and the safety protocol is very, very important.
exactly exactly this is the main motive is to spread message because this is the high time when people should know because अपने stats ही बताते हैं कि सबसे ज़्यादा accident two wheelers के होते हैं so it is very important to and I think यही मुझे इस पे ही ज़्यादा focus करना है कि I must educate more and more people to ride safe, don't ride rash, and have good helmet at least. Rest still we can discuss and we can tell, but buy good helmet. Good helmet is very important.
Got it. Yeah, yeah. Very, very important. Helmet, jacket, boots, riding pants, having gloves.
Absolutely.
I think every tool has their own utility for riders. I think everybody should be very aware of what kind of gloves and type tool they should buy.
Yeah,
pants.
yeah.
Very
Absolutely. Yeah.
Cool.
Absolutely.
Tushar bhai, no problem. Thank you so much. So Tushar is one of the very active members from our community. He's been coming on all the rides, what we've been doing, and a phenomenal guy. So no problem. Please
So
connect with us.
nice.
Are you to? And lovely. So Aishwarya, just taking you back to what we do. We celebrate riders. We help riders to grow as a rider, to help them build communities or join communities as a product what we're building. We also help them to plan rides, single day, multi-day with friends, solo, in groups, all that. So what is your take in becoming an organized community? Like we are a very new country in terms of riding. We're just getting into the phase where we are a young country. We are getting into riding. We are getting into picking as a hobby. A lot of youngsters are there. What's your take on this? Like, how do you think how important it is to train them early and also to get them to asteroid where you can help them to plan rides better or to find groups and rides around them.
Yes, yes, that's what I said. It is very important. See, many people think कि मुझे training की क्या जरूरत है?
Correct.
It's my experience. I told you. I knew how to ride a motorcycle. पहले एनसीसी में सीखा था and pick up bike and you ride, but the day I got into professional learning I understood there's so much to it और हर एक छोटी छोटी चीज आपको बहुत सारी चीजों से बचाती है. Which
Sure.
one thing Uttam taught me and we keep telling our trainers is vision, which is a very, very important concept when you're riding on the road. Why it is important to look ahead and not to look down. So
Amazing.
I think it is very important. I would say you must learn anybody who is riding a motorcycle or having an academy nearby. आप जाओ और करके आओ. देखो नुकसान कुछ नहीं है, फायदा ही होगा. If you think you know how to ride, but understanding those techniques are very, very important. Very, very important. I have experienced this. My trainees those who have taken up training, they talk about it कि ये training बहुत काम आई है, especially advanced training when you are doing places like Arunachal and Sarta and when you going as a group. तो हमारी activities भी बहुत सारी partnership में there are a lot of activities we do it during advanced training, helping each other. किसी की बाइक गिर गई है तो as a buddy you are supposed to lift the bike, you are supposed to help them, so they are already getting mentally prepared for it. It's very important to understand the team spirit, working together during tough times. How do you stand strong together? बहुत जरूरी है. As a solo rider also, you must know, you should know how to handle your bike, how to take care of your bike, and especially how to take care of yourself when you're sitting on the bike. It is very important to ride safe, and it is very important to learn how to ride safe.
Correct.
So it's very
So
important. Mixing hobby with
training.
learning correct is very important.
Got it, Aishwarya. So I'm breaking off. Sorry, I understand training is very important, and I completely agree with you 100%. But besides training, what else is important? Like as I mentioned earlier, like for example, ride planning also is sometimes very very crucial, especially when you're going long distance. What do you see other aspects as a community we should take care of?
Okay. See, firstly, तो you should have a good gear.
Okay.
पहले तो खुद का ख्याल रखो. You should have good quality helmet, good riding jacket, good riding pant. एक अच्छा hydration bag होना बहुत जरूरी है. You have to keep yourself hydrated throughout the ride. अभी कल भी अब तो कारगिल दिवस मैंने पानी नहीं पिया. I'm very low. So it is very, very important to take care of your health when you are going for the longer ride.
Correct, correct, correct.
You must exercise. Weight training बहुत जरूरी है because you are sitting on bike for the complete day. आप कम से कम अगर 10 से 12 घंटे बैठ भी लेते हो बाइक, अगर लद्दाख भी जा रहे हो, आप 10-15 दिन की जर्नी भी है, तो
Correct.
एक दिन तो 7-8-9 घंटे बाइक पे बैठ जाते हो. So it's very important to have good physique, good health, बहुत जरूरी है. And और क्या है, keep some good बादाम protein bars with you and plan ride nicely. आपने distances देखो कितना target करना है, कहाँ पे halt करना है, how can you travel, what is your speed. So you have to pre-plan everything. अच्छे से plan करोगे तो I don't think वहाँ पे कभी भी कोई problem आती है.
Correct.
सोलो राइड अभी तक तो किया नहीं है, but I am hoping कि I would definitely plan in future. then I would love to share my experiences whenever I go for the solo ride.
Amazing. Cool. Yeah, I think you should do that. Solo rides gives you a very different perspective. That fear
Absolutely,
of
absolutely,
unknown is quite important to get used to it as well. So
absolutely, absolutely,
even the shorter
absolutely.
rides are good, but you should do that. Amazing.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely. But the present focus is to get more women riders to the riding community, and
correct.
then I'll start, focusing on uh, solo rides.
Amazing. So yeah, we are also trying to build a lot in terms of female riders in our community. We are also like bringing on female-only rides on our platform, where you can build a female-only ride, and only female riders can join those rides. We're also bringing in live tracking, where you can send, you track your ride, and you can send location to your family members, so they know exactly where you are, and you don't have to be worried about family members. So a lot we are also trying to do as a brand, as a community, initiative what we have taken so far, and love to do help you out with trainings also. Like a lot of times people are asking what training should I get, or where should I get it. So all that we're trying to
Okay.
solve that also. So we'll talk about that in the future, no problem. But any message you want to give besides gear? I know you talk about gear, you talk about nutrition, that is also very important aspect. And firstly, the training. I think that is the highly misunderstood concept in India. Most of us
Yeah,
don't have
absolutely.
training.
Yeah,
Most of us don't have access to training in other cities like Delhi. Metros, we still have some training schools, but outside there is nothing. So it's
yeah,
very important to get the basic training. And what happens, if you don't get training, if you pick up the wrong habits or wrong techniques, then they stay for you forever. And then
absolutely.
you just so hard to get them, to get unlearn them and learn the new right way to do that. So I think it's very important to
Absolutely.
get early
It's
on,
very
so that you have your rides very comfortable. Amazing. So it was amazing to talk to you, Aishwarya ma'am. So I think
same
we'll
here.
stay in
Same
touch.
here. Just a message to everyone. Let it be any hobby, riding ho ya kuch bhi ho. Whatever you love to do it passionately and just enjoy it.
Amazing.
I'm enjoying what I am doing.
Amazing. And that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to bring in more people into riding and get them tools which you can use. So I
Absolutely.
invite you to explore Astrad. I don't think you have explored the app as of now. So we
I
invite you
would, I would say yes.
to do that,
Yes,
and let us know your feedback. Let us know your suggestions as a female rider. If
absolutely,
there are
absolutely.
things which you feel that they should be there on the app, we will help. We'll try and get them on as soon as possible.
I would straight away
Please.
download it after the
That would be
chat.
great help for us in terms of from experience from the female riders point of view, because it is a big country and there are a lot of long rides we are all doing. So if there is anything we can help from your perspective,
We
it would
must,
be
we must, we must. Yes.
sure. So let's stay in touch. Thank you so much once again for the lovely
Thank you so
session.
much for having me here. It was really nice talking to you and looking forward to have more conversations like this in future.
Awesome, amazing. Yeah, we look
I hope
forward.
सोलो राइड जल्दी करूँ ताकि वापस आऊँ.
जल्दी करते हैं, ऑफलाइन भी करते हैं, no problem. Cool.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Awesome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Have a nice
Thank
evening.
you.
Nice
Thank you
weekend.
so much. Bye
Thanks,
bye,
man.
bye bye. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for
Bye
joining.
bye.
Cool. See you. Bye.